Hey, this is Arrowwood. I'm going to show you all of my skins and feathers and all that today. Tons of turkey feathers. When I'm out mowing, my neighbors' turkeys love to pass through there, so I pick up feathers, and this is my collection so far. Quite a bit. I got this for my birthday. Oh, oops. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is mink. This is two minks. Their heads are sewn together right here. And it is fairly soft, but then I have another mink here. This one's kind of falling apart, but it was sewn together. But this one is way softer than the other one, and yeah, I've actually bought all my pelts, but this is a silver fox head. Hold on, let me try and get his ears out here. I can't right now, but this is a silver fox. My mom bought this at a rendezvous for me. It's just a head. But then I have this. This is part of a deer. I bought this at a rendezvous too. Then I got this. This is part of a bear. Part of a black bear. And what I have here, is an elk hide. This thing here is very nice. It's very cool. I have slept on this. I've covered up in this at rendezvous. And yeah, there's just endless uses for big hides like that. And I do have one more skin that I would like to show you today. And this, in my opinion, is my favorite skin. But that's just because that's the only one that someone shot in my family that had been tanned. And let me grab it over here. This coyote, this was shot by my grandpa Jerry, and this is the softest of them all. It's very soft. And I'd say in between the ears is the softest part. But it looks, these are its little legs, stubs. And then these are, yeah, it was kind of stretched, but it was a pretty little coyote. And yeah, but I hope to kill some animals sometime this year to end next year, maybe 2 years from now, but I hope I kill some animals and maybe I'll tan them. That would be really good. Great uses for rendezvous. Please comment, subscribe, and watch my other videos.